What's up, guys? Andrew with NoExcusesTV here. Haven't made a video about products in a little bit, mainly because I've been trying to get to where the production value is a little better, to where it looks a lot better. So I got some lights, I got a little wrinkled curtain right now. We'll get that ironed out, get it looking a little bit better, but trying to get these production quality a little bit higher. And so behind a little bit on the CAIRN box opening, so I have two of them. I have the February one and the March one. So let's go ahead and get these suckers open, see what they sent us, and see what we want to test out. So the first one we have is the one from February. I really haven't looked into these. School kind of got crazy. Some other stuff popped up, and really hadn't been able to look into our CAIRN boxes. But spring's right around the corner. I'm getting really excited to go camping. So let's see what they got for February. All right, here we go. So they have, let's see here, it's a food bar, puppy bar, okay. And they have the CAIRN Scout, which is all about the information. Sunstick, looks like it's SPF for like your face. It's gonna be good this summer. Then we have Defunct Active Spray, scientifically superior shoe and gear deodorizer. Definitely need that for the shoes. Looks like last but not least, besides some stickers we got, here's another CAIRN sticker. It's a cold beanie. Luckily, in Arkansas, it's almost too warm to wear these. Not horrible. Oh, you know what? It's a UCO one. So I just saw this real quick. So last month, they gave us a UCO like headlamp, and it's got a spot right here at the front. We'll let you see that real quick. Right here on the front. And it actually, the headlamp attaches here, so you can wear the beanie with the headlamp without having the extra strap, which that's pretty awesome. I didn't even see that. It's a special edition Cole times UCO. Sweet. Oh yeah. Okay, that'll be pretty cool. Alright, let's see what they got. Put this stuff back up real quick. See what they got in the March one. Alright, so March one's a little bit bigger. Let's see what they got in here. Hydro Pack. So this is to clean like water bottles and stuff. I wonder how you do it. We'll read about how to do that later. Ooh, there we go. Here we go. Drink tanks. Now, a couple years ago, when I was doing this, I got my first Hydro Flask pint mug. And that's what we got here with drink tanks. 16 ounces. I'm telling you, when I got the Hydro Flask, when I had no idea what it was, I've used it ever since. I've loved it. And the Hydro Flask has gotten pretty big since that one came out. So this, I'm looking forward to see what else they have to offer and what they can put out. Oh, okay. So here are some heat wids. So this is a heat wids. So this is different lids for it. So you have a hot, for temperature controlled, washer safe. Then one's got like a big mouth for like your cooler drinks. It's got a small mouth, and these both go on the Hydro Flask. Or not the Hydro Flask. See, that's what I'm gonna mess up. Keep calling it Hydro Flask. The drink tank mug. So we'll keep those. See what those do. See how those work. See if they work pretty well. This looks like this will be my go-to, my drink cup for the next month or so I can see just how much I like it. And then last but not least, looks like we got a lemon poppy seed oat bar from Bobo's. I've actually heard of Bobo's and followed them around a little bit. Haven't tried their stuff though. So looking forward to trying their lemon seed poppy bar. So looking back at the gear we got, give you some close-up views. So this is the gear that they got in the February and March 2018 CAIRN boxes. Haven't got the April one yet. Should be coming pretty soon just because I've waited so long to open these. But some cool videos coming up. We have some new products that we're going to be testing out. We'll slowly be getting those videos out to you, showing what we have. We'll probably just have like a video kind of showing you all the gear that we'll be looking at in the next month or so. And then as we go through the summer, actually having videos that test that and look what's going on. So I don't know, a lot of ideas going on. It's going to be fun. We'll get this thing ironed out, make it look a little bit prettier. We got the lights, production value hopefully increasing. So just stick around. April CAIRN box coming pretty soon. Bunch of other videos, and then I have some throwbacks from stuff we did last year. So if you like this video, if you like the other videos, check them out. We have some stuff on BioLite coming soon. We got some Go Zero stuff coming pretty soon. Pretty excited about. So make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss any of those videos that are coming up. If you want to see any specific products that we can kind of get our hands on, kind of look at for you, make sure to comment down below. If you have a CAIRN box, what have you liked? What have you not liked? What have you liked? What have you not liked about it? Again, comment down below. Hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you in the next video.